Good day, hi-ho kids, and welcome to our today's discussion. For today, our topic is all about simple past tense of verbs. When we say simple past tense verbs, it means that the action has already happened in the past. Now, there are two ways on how we can change the base form of the verb into its past tense. We have one for regular and we have another one for irregular. Let's start. How to form the past tense of the verb. Let's begin with the regular way. Rule number 1. If the base form already ends with letter E, you just need to add letter D. For example, bake to baked, stare to stared. As you can see, both word or verbs end with letter E. That is why we just need to add letter D at the end. For our rule number 2, if the base form ends with a consonant plus a Y, change letter Y to letter I before you add ED. For example, deny to denied, cry to cried. For both words, we have a consonant before our letter Y. That is why we changed letter Y to letter I, and then we are going to add ED at the end. For our rule number 3, if the base form ends with a vowel plus a Y, you just need to add ED. For example, we have here pray to prayed and stay to stayed. For our rule number 4, if the base form ends with a consonant vowel consonant, you must repeat the last letter before you add ed. Let's have an example. We have here grab to grabbed and plan to planned. Let's have grab. For the word grab, we have here letter G, and then we have the last three letters. We have R, A, and B. R is a consonant, A is a vowel, and B is a consonant again. That is why we are going to repeat the last letter and then we are going to add ED. For our last rule, for our rule number 5, it is that for most verbs, you just need to add ED. For examples, we have here mix to mixed and assist to assisted. Let us now talk about the irregular way. And for this one, there is no rule, but you need to memorize. Let's have some examples. Let us now talk about the points to remember in this lesson. There are two ways on how we can form the past tense of verbs. Again, we have regular and irregular. That is all for today. Thank you and goodbye, Hi Ho Kids.